DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You know what time it is. The Dan is back in the building with another mad reaction. Yeah, man. Yo, people, see what we are dealing there. Today, we're back in the lab, and today we're there with Fada Dippo himself. You see me, Mr. Catchy at himself, man. We're back with Valiant. Under the name GodFada. You see me? And this is, a lot of people say this is his long-awaited hit song. Like, I guess he previewed this one, and people been waiting on this one. Well, check it out and see what she deal with. But see what him I deal with. Yeah, man, check it out and see what him I deal with today, gang. You don't know. Yeah, man, Valiant, one of the best out. Probably the artist in the dancer right now. You see me and say? Let me know anything about that one. Yeah, man, him I do him thing, man. Him dog have a buzz right now. You see me? And dog I do him thing right now. Nah, lie. So, now we'll vibe much longer with jump right in the truck. You don't know this is Valiant. GodFada. Yeah, man, gang. Let's get it. Head concussion, no I never. These niggas stay putting in work. Head concussion, I know I never. And everything, bro.
Come again. Come. Badness. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck.
Not too. Me don't too like the look how I deal with now, bro. You see? Yeah, me not too like the look how I deal with. The look kind of fishy, but go on.
Come again. Badness.
Yeah.
I love my bitch, my favorite.
Yeah.
Don't fuck no slut without latex.
Yeah.
She knows that I'm not taken.
That's right, bro. I love my bitch, I love my favorite, man. Buckler, what the wrong buckler button? Yeah, man, I love my favorite, man. Yeah, man. Dog have a couple bobs outdoor. Yeah, man, dog have a couple bobs still. Mama, and so. Look good. Mama, nice. Not ready, so.
Oh, at the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hole me a dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10-row plot.
Bumbo climb and say I be barrel a spin and a spit out shot. Man say your girl a pussy tight like 10-row plot. Hold on.
Race and a race.
Hold on, I ain't catch that one. The one they kinda, you see me? Yeah, man, gang, don't judge me. Don't get it, you don't know.
That I'm not taken.
Woman nice. Woman I black you so. You nice, you fuck. You know the braids, you see me? One of my favorite, I'm favorite they style up on a black woman, braids and blood clot. You see me? The braids and the blood clot, I wanna call it. Yeah, box braids and them braids. Yeah, I love that shit.
At the barrel that I spin and I spit out shot. It a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hole me a dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10-row plot.
Oh, fuck like a barrel a spin and a spin. And I spit out shot, it a race and a flick out bat. Girl skin out them hole me a cut that. You see me and say, when the last time the dog say, yo, a girl put it tight like the rope plat. Oh, you know what? Yeah, man, that's tight.
But girl skin out them hole me a dig out that. Girl your pum pum tight like a 10-row plot. Hosanna, God, she call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. But tell it down flat.
Rifle a wave and but dog, is this a girl tune or a bad man tune? You see me? Can man say anything my blood clean can't get up back, you know. Anything you fling down can't get up back. Hold on there.
She call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. But tell it down flat.
Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. Now that can't have a double beam. You see me answer that can't. You see me answer. Hosanna, she call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Now it can't mean. You see me, if it's a girl tune, it can't mean another thing. And if it's a bad man tune, it can't mean another thing. You see me answer. So, go on, I think Valiant that creative enough. You see me and say, if you refer to Rvssian as, you see me as, I think about
fuck you can black that black. She a quint it up, man, I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box. She run your fuck, love her back shot. I come that run down past sandals.
Yeah, man, she love one box, run your fuck, she want back shot. Yeah, man, come on, man, we get it. Pull it out back. Oh, pull it up back. I want to get the concept. I want to see if that get great creative with the thing. You see me?
When she come for fuck, you can black that black. She a quint it up, man, I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box.
Yeah, man.
She run your fuck love.
When she come for fuck, you can't black that nigga. You can't black me on IG, no. You can't. You see me and say when she come for fuck, man, you can't black that brother. You see me? You know, real life, she a compete, man. She a risk her blood clan.
She talk me not stop up.
Yeah.
She love the fuck, she want hot box.
Yeah.
She run your fuck, love her back shot.
Yeah, man.
I come that run down past sandals. From you see how she want, she love bad.
You got nasty as shit, bro. Man say I come that I run down past sandals. Hey boy, nasty boy Valiant. That detail there. You see me? You could have left that out. But you know, dog. She run your fuck, she love back shot. Hey.
Love her back shot. I come that run down past sandals. From you see how she want, she love bad man. I'm a love my bitch them from London.
Yeah.
Done, I love. Hosanna, God, she call me the GodFada.
Yeah, man, you know, we love our ladies, you see me, all over the world. You see me and say, yeah.
Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back. Better lay down flat. And the rum plus a vibe, but she don't under. I want you come from the cabana. I said the price of a double when the
Yeah, you see me. I want to see the rum where she on. I said she want to drink rum from the cabana. You see me and say, come in, mama, come get some. Mama, they look nice, you know, moms, them.
I want you come from the cabana. I said the price of a double when the song ya drop. You want mills from the line.
Oh, she want to drink come from the cabana. How are they about McLeod? Hey, Valiant, what's wrong with you, bro?
When the
That's
phone ya
disgusting,
bang. I love my bitch, my favorite. Don't fuck no slut without late no song. She knows that I'm not take. Not take go. Hosanna. She call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything when my drop can't get up back.
No, mama. Mama, we're so dead in our eye, you know. Mama, we're so dead in our face.
I lay down flat. Bap, bap, bap. But when she come, fuck, you can't black that.
Yeah, man, when a girl come for fuck, dog, you can't black that, my G.
The line, we can't chat that. And if she hard for find, we can't track.
If she hard for find, we can't track that. Hey, boy, Valiant, and stalk of that. How you there, pan?
As I reach,
He's on. Outside. Yeah, man. Okay, Valiant. GodFada. Fada! Catch you at a lie? No, man, I lie. Yeah, man, I concussion. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Valiant. GodFada. It's a vibe. Hosanna. She call me the GodFada. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Yeah. It's a vibe, man. Yeah. See why people like the one, huh? You see me and say? Is it on? Wait. Isn't that shit on Mad? Isn't that fucking Mad Me and Mad Out with him? You come back with that again? Man, that sound like Mad Out with him, ain't it? No big bunks with him that he bring back. What? Nah, man. Nah, man. The way the man and chop music weird. You see back in the day now when I read him come and forward and gone, he gone. These niggas be going back and forth between a whole. Nah, man. But hey, whatever. It is what it is, bro. I feel like if you back in the day when I read him come and gone, if you come and gone, it's if you remix it and bring back a new version, alright, fine. But they be the big bunks. I think big bunks did beat. Alright, whatever, gang. Whatever. You don't know what time it is. We're there. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. Let me know if you like the one. If you like it, if you show the artist on the one spot, making us a Jambisco. Send no. You see me dropping no comments in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody. Beats, lyrics, melody, video. Let me know all that good stuff. The moms and the dolly them. You see me? I say, yeah. Like you show the artist on the one spot, making us a Jambisco. And send no. You already know what time it is. Let's chop it up in the comment section, gang. You see me? It's a vibe. Let's talk about it. Yeah, man. I don't know what time it is. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. You guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.